You want to lose weight fast? Well, the only way that you're going to lose weight fast is if you burn more calories than you consume. That is basically the only way that you're going to lose weight fast. I know it's the summertime for the men. You want that six pack. For the females, you want that nice curvy body. I understand. So in this video, I'm going to help you to learn how to lose weight fast in the most efficient way without hurting yourself. Let's get started. All right, so for those that don't know me, my name is Jay Teller. All right, I've been creating a lot of fitness related videos that help people to lose weight and just to accomplish their fitness goals. All right, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to lose weight efficiently, all right, to have that nice shape that you always wanted. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is that you need to change your mindset. You have to understand that in the journey to losing weight is going to be a process. It's going to be a long process, depending how much fat that you want to lose. So this is not going to be there's no shortcuts to accomplishing your goal on losing weight. Now, there's a lot of people that want the short-term effects of losing weight, or just the short path to lose weight, and that is when they buy those pills to lose weight that claim that they'll lose like 5 pounds overnight, or they'll go to surgery to remove the excess fat from their body. That's not the right way to lose weight, all right? The right way to lose weight is to understand that it's going to be a long-term journey, and it takes an alteration in your mindset to understand that your lifestyle has to change in order for you to stay slim, even after you lose the weight, all right? So that's the first thing. Make sure that you change your mindset and make this a lifestyle to lose weight and to keep yourself from gaining weight once you lose the weight, all right? So the next thing that you need to do, you need to change your diet. There's a lot of people that I see that want to lose weight, but they're still eating McDonald's, Burger King, those greasy fries. They're going to Wingstop. They're eating that greasy conch. They're eating terrible foods that has high fat, high salt, high sugar. All right, just everything that is going to make you gain weight. All right, so you have to consume more vegetables, fruits, nuts, all right, and lean meats. Now, it's very important to consume fruits and vegetables because they contain something called fiber. When you consume foods with fiber, you eat less food, all right, but you feel full because of the fiber. That's why most vegans are very slim and lean, because they're eating less foods that make them feel full faster, but in reality they're really consuming less calories, but they still feel full from the vegetables that they're eating and the fruits that they're eating, all right? And don't leave out the meat. You still need protein in order to keep your muscles functioning and in great shape, all right? So that's why I say you need to consume more fruits, vegetables, and lean meats, and also nuts too. Those are like my top 4 things that I think everybody should be consuming to lose weight. The nuts is for energy. They have a lot of carbohydrates. Now, some of y'all might think that carbohydrates are bad. It's not bad, all right? The brain consumes the most energy in your body, all right? And when you consume carbohydrates, it helps to fuel your mind, all right? So it keeps you functional. Now, it only becomes a problem if you eat too much carbs, all right, or too much sugar, which will convert into fat, all right? So you might not be eating like those fast, like those high greasy foods or high fat foods and so forth. But if you consume a lot of sugar, the body only uses the amount of sugar it needs to function. Now, the excess sugar or carbs, it is converted into fat. And that's why many health experts always say decrease the amount of sugar that you intake in your body, because it could be converted into fat, all right? The next thing that you want to do once you altered your diet, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to stay active. Now, in today's world, we sit down way too much. We have this 9 to 5 jobs that work for 8 to 10 hours, and we sit flat on our butts, all right? So we don't even command our body to use or burn the fat and calories that's in our body for movement. The only movement that we're really doing is with our hands on the keyboard, and that is not enough, all right? So when I say that you need to stay active, you need to just go out for like walks, all right? Like, I'm not saying that you always need to go to the gym. You know, go out for walks. Go, walk like 3 or 4 laps around your neighborhood, or, clean up the house using the vacuum cleaner, all right? You could also just walk up the stairs instead of taking the elevator, or you could just play, kids. If you have kids, you could just play with them, I know how kids are. I have a son, and he demands a lot of my energy, all right? So just him alone, I burn a lot of calories throughout the day, all right? So make sure that you're staying active. Like I said, you don't have to go to the gym, but if you're going to the gym, go on the treadmill, go on the elliptical, go on the bike, but do it for at least 30 minutes, 5 to 6 days a week, all right? So when you combine you being active to what you're eating, you're most likely going to be in a calorie deficit, which means that you're burning more calories than you're consuming, all right? And that is the very number one way, the only way that you're going to lose weight. All right, make sure you don't lose too much weight. Make sure that you check the chart of your age and your height to see what is your ideal weight that you should be accomplishing for your body, all right? All right, so I really hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions at all, make sure to leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.